Okay, this is a continuation of the City Football Club question. So A part 2 asks us to complete the income and expenditure account. Again, the title is where the easiest marks are. So, the income and expenditure account of City Football Club for the year ended 30th of the 4th, 2008. Now, the income and expenditure account is very similar to the profit and loss account that you would have completed when doing the final accounts questions. You add in all the gains under income and you take away all the losses under expenditure. Now, the first gain that this club had is the bar profit that we calculated in the last video in the trading account. It's a really common mistake with these questions for people to do the trading account perfectly, do the income and expenditure account perfectly, except they forget to bring down the bar profit, which is an obvious income for the club. So the bar profit is 19,040. That's the first one that goes in there. The next receipt I see for this club is Club Lotto. Now, what I like to do with things like Club Lotto is often you'll find that there's Club Lotto prizes given as well. And in this question there is. Down in the payment section there's Club Lotto prizes. Now you have the option of putting the prizes down separately in expenditure or taking the Club Lotto figure, taking away the prizes and bringing out the net figure under income. Whichever way you want to do it is fine, both are acceptable. I'm going to net it off here, so less Club Lotto prizes, and you'll find the figure down in the payment section. So the Club Lotto figure in this question is 24,400. The Lotto prizes are 8,140, giving a net income of 16,260 in from the Club Lotto. Okay. Then we're going to look at the subscriptions. Now, you will find that the subscriptions figure of 52,000 isn't the actual subscriptions figure for the year because there is an adjustment in the additional information given of subscriptions prepaid. So, the subscriptions figure of 52,000 less the prepaid subs. Always take away prepayments and you always add dues. Sorry. Gives a total subscriptions for the year of 49,500. And those are the incomes. Now, the temptation there is to go and also put in bar sales under income or bar purchases under expenditure. Do not do that. In the last video, we've already dealt with bar sales and bar purchases in the trading account, so those do not get included in the income and expenditure account. The bar profit is the result of having dealt with those already. Okay, so let's add up our total income for the club here, and we get 84,800. Expenditure then for this club. So there was, if you go down to the payments, you'll see there was groundsman's wages of 22,100. There was light and heat, but there was an adjustment on this from the additional information. Light and heat due. So we're going to add on the dues, always add dues, always take away prepayments. Plus light and heat due of 345. Give a total light and heat figure for the financial year of 6,305. Then there was insurance. Just going to move this down a bit. There's also an adjustment on insurance as well. Of the insurance figure, is 11,200, and less insurance prepaid. So we're going to take away the prepaid insurance. It doesn't belong in this financial year, giving a net insurance figure for the year of 8,400. Now, some of you might be asking, why did I skip over the purchase of the tractor? In an income and expenditure account, you do not include money spent or revenue from the purchase or sale of fixed assets. So like tractors or new clubhouses or land or anything like that does not get included. The money from the purchase or sale of fixed assets are not dealt with in the income and expenditure account. So skip over them in the income and expenditure account. However, the depreciation on those fixed assets does get included, and we'll deal with that later. So the telephone expenses for the year are 1,655. The repairs and maintenance is 17,895. And then finally, as I mentioned already, the depreciation on the fixed asset. So the depreciation on the tractor is obviously losing value during the year. They're depreciating it by 20%, the additional information tells us. So the depreciation on the tractor that they purchased is 20%. So 20% of the 25,000 euro tractor is 5,000 euros of depreciation charge. So we're going to total up our expenditure, and we get 61355 total expenditure. Now, what we call that is we call it excess of income over expenditure. Don't call it profit. Our income is greater than expenditure, so an excess of income over expenditure. If it was the other way around, and expenditure was greater than income, it is excess of expenditure over income. So excessive income over expenditure, take it away, and we get a excessive income over expenditure of 23,445.